Hey guys, today we're talking about the JetBoil MiniMo system. Now the MiniMo is JetBoil's most popular regulated cook system, and I'm going to show you what it's all about. The MiniMo is a fantastic personal cook system that weighs in at just 14.6 ounces, but still gives you a 6,000 BTU burner stove with JetBoil's regulator technology and unbeatable simmer control. So the great thing about the MiniMo is how everything packs together. You've got this bottom cover that doubles as a measuring cup and bowl. Then you've got the cup here that holds everything else. The top lid, the fuel stabilizer, fits right in there. A 100-gram fuel canister and the stove itself fit right in the cup. So then you just build the system. Screw the stove into the fuel canister. The cooking cup locks into place. Then you've got your measuring cup and bowl, and then you've got the lid. Easy. The big story with the MiniMo is the redesigned cooking cup and handles. It comes with a 1 liter short flux ring cooking cup and insulated cozy, and as the name suggests, it's shorter and a bit wider than before, so you get a better spoon angle. So that just means it's easier than ever to cook and eat straight out of the cup since you can get more of your spoon in there. The metal handles here on the side are super sturdy and they're insulated so you won't burn your hands, and they really just go a long way towards making this thing really usable. Now the cup itself has this great drink-through lid with a pour spout and a strainer, so you can use it as a cup for coffee or to strain pasta. And the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup or a bowl, so you have everything you need to make a meal for yourself all right here. So it's the perfect size system for one person, and the flux ring technology on the cup make it really fuel efficient. It'll boil a half a liter of water in just 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and one of these 100-gram fuel canisters will let you do that 24 times. JetBoil makes the most advanced regulator valves in the industry. They engineered them to allow for 4 full turns of the valve spindle for incremental fuel flow adjustment and consistent heat output from a light simmer all the way to a rolling boil. Here's what that means. A lot of other stoves on the market go from closed to fully wide open with 1 turn of the spindle, so you either get a tiny flame that won't cook any of your food or a full bore inferno that burns everything. Not so with the MiniMo. It also means you can boil water for coffee in an instant and then cook perfect scrambled eggs all on the same stove. The other great thing about the MiniMo's regulator technology is that it helps it perform better in cold weather. It's rated for consistent performance down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, so you don't have to worry about it not working well when it's cold outside. Now beyond that, you get a reliable push-button igniter and a fuel stabilizer, and the MiniMo is compatible with a whole host of JetBoil accessories, like the Grande coffee press, pot support, and frying pan. So all in all, with the MiniMo, you get an incredible personal cook system. You get a really powerful burner that'll boil water quickly, but still has unbeatable simmer control and packs down really small. The shorter cup size makes it easier than ever to cook and eat out of the same vessel, and you won't have to sacrifice weight for cooking performance in the backcountry.
Meet the next generation of fire with the CampStove 2, a portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the CampStove 2 provides 50% more power than the CampStove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the CampStove 2, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.
Make your next adventure a little more comfortable with the ultralight sleeping pad from Sleep & Go. Roughing it doesn't mean you have to get a rough night of sleep. Take the pad on any trip for a better rest. Inflate it fast and easy with just 10 to 13 breaths. 2 inches of thickness keep you well above the ground and supported in any position, even on your side. Made with ripstop nylon, the pad is durable and waterproof to hold up against the elements. The air cells of the pad contour to your body for optimal support and comfort. Rest easy on your next adventure with the Sleep & Go Ultralight Sleeping Pad.
Access clean drinking water wherever you go with LifeStraw. It is a small, ultralight water filter that frees you from carrying drinking water by removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics to keep you safe on your adventures. Using it is simple. Open the caps, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, just blow the water out of the filter, replace the caps, and off you go. Ideal for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergencies, LifeStraw filters a minimum of 1,000 gallons of water, equivalent to roughly 4 years of clean drinking water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Over 1 million children are receiving clean water today thanks to people like you.
Are you planning to take a break from a busy city life with the whole family or your friends? LENCE Camping Tent is the best choice for the outdoor relaxation. Choose from 3 spacious tents for 2, 4, or 6 adults. The tent is lightweight and can be stored in a simple carry bag, which is very easy to take anywhere. The setup is quick and simple, and even one person can set up the tent in less than 15 minutes. The 9 lightweight iron pegs and 4 guy ropes ensure the tent has a high wind resistance. 2 shock cords connect poles with the clips, making it easy to set up the tent. Large sections of mesh and 1 D-shaped door with dual zippers and a ground vent and 2 windows provide a much better ventilation, increasing the air circulation to help you stay cool and comfortable. The material provides an excellent water and UV resistance, and our tent is equipped with a rainfly. The double-layer technology provides stronger resistance to harsh weather conditions and helps you to enjoy your time in the great outdoors. Relax in comfort with the LENCE Camping Tent.